Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you people know that I have been uploading videos in the playlist Books for Beginners, and I have uploaded 6 videos already. Today I thought that I should start a new playlist or something more easy for you people to kickstart your English language acquisition journey. When we start to learn English, we think that by cramming grammatical rules we can learn English language, or by learning sentences or parts of speeches we can learn English language. But it is not the case. I've spent 4 years reading English language and reading grammatical books, but to no avail. I got no results. What I found out in these 4 years that our way of English language acquisition is wrong. The way experts suggest that there are 2 ways to learn English language. First of all, you need to read a lot. Grammar or grammatical rules will do no good to you if you don't read English literature or English books. The more you read, the more you will inculcate in yourself English language. And then the second thing is, the more you listen to English language, the more you will inculcate English or acquire English language. That is why I started these series of videos to help you out in your English language acquisition journey. Please read a lot, read as much you can, and then listen a lot. Listen to podcasts. I will not go away from my topic, and I will get straight to it. And today's video's topic is that I am going to talk about a short story. I will upload videos about short stories you should read as a beginner of English language. And after watching this video or watching this review, you can read those texts I suggest. Today's topic of discussion is The Curious Case of Benjamin Button by F. Scott Fitzgerald. This is a thought-provoking and fascinating story. A boy is born and he is in the hospital. And his father goes to the hospital and he is shocked to find out that in the crib, the child is an old man. His size is large enough as an adult. He has a beard and he has wrinkles on his face. He sits down on a bench and holds his head like this. He thinks, what should I do? What people would think about this? He is not a boy. He is frustrated and he leaves the hospital. And then this story follows the life of this old child whose life goes in reverse. He is 80 years old as a child, and as he grows up in the eyes of the world, actually he grows younger. From that 80 years of age, he comes down to becoming a child, and then he dies. This is a fascinating, thought-provoking story that will tell you about human relations, love and loss, and mortality, and It will tell you about the idea of death, what death will do to us, how we experience death, how our relations change with the passage of time. You should really read this story, and the story is really engaging, and it's not very lengthy story or very difficult. If you are a beginner, you will be able to read it easily. You should read it, and you will find it on Google Chrome in a PDF form. I read it in PDF form recently. That's it for today, and I will upload other videos about short stories that you must read, because in my 4 years of college I also read short stories as my syllabus. And what I found out that some short stories are about 50 to 60 pages, and they are written in, what if a story is written in stream of consciousness? If you don't know it, and you haven't learned English literature, you will not know what is going on in the story. That is why I started this series, where I will tell you about the stories you need to read to start. And then as you read, as you upgrade yourself, then you will read more and more difficult texts. That's it for today, and I'll come back again with another video.